Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix spatial wallpaper not working. The first step that we need to do is to open these things RC from here. After that, you need to actually open the battery settings. So from here you need to find the power options, so you need to scroll down till you see the power mode RC from here. So you need to click on power mode, and from here you need to make sure that the low power mode is disabled. So if this is enabled, so that may actually reduce some motion and some background activities, so that may make the spatial wallpaper turned off. Also, if the spatial wallpaper is not working, you can make sure that you have turned it on, or you can turn it off and turn it on again by going to the wallpaper section RC from here, and then click on customize. After that, from here you will see the spatial wallpaper button. You need to click on it to turn on spatial wallpaper. After that, if this didn't work with you, you need to turn it off and then turn it on again. So this is another fix that you can try. After that, the last fix that you can actually try is to force turn off your iPhone and then turn it on again. So the first thing that you need to do is to hold the volume up button and the volume down button as see from here. After that, you need to hold down the bar button as see from here, and then you will see the screen turn black. After that, you can just turn on your iPhone again, and that will hopefully fix your issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.